We're going to do a brief video of ADBE Stock review. That's Adobe Stock. And we've got a chart here for you, daily stock chart with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. Let's take a look back here. Around December of 2021, we see this stock broke through the 200-day moving average and entered its bear market. And we can see that it's been in a bear market ever since. The 200 rolled over. We've had not a whole lot of respect for the 20-day moving average, a little bit here, a little bit here. But in general, this stock's been going down, sideways, down, sideways, down, sideways. And then as we come through the end of July, we begin to try to recover some of this distance. Whenever you put too much distance between the 200-day and the price, the stock's either going to go sideways till it runs into the 200-day, or it's going to rally to the 200-day, and or at least close the gap like it did here. So we put in this rally towards the 200-day, and a 200-day moving average is important because it tells us this stock wasn't powerful enough on the 15th of August to get to the 200-day. It was a considerable gap. It's $30, and it turned right back around again. So we failed a bear market rally in its attempt to get to and close above the 200-day. So the market sentiment on this stock is negative, and you can see that played out today. The stock price is below the 200, below the 20, below the 5-day moving average, and we had this huge gap today. As I record this video, this stock's down $47. It's down about 12% on 8 million shares. Its normal daily volume is about 2.5 million shares. So they took this stock out this morning and shot it. I don't know what the fundamental reason is. I don't follow the fundamentals on most stocks, but the reality of it is the move, while I'm not going to say it was predictable, it shouldn't have been unexpected. Anytime you get a huge decline like that, it's an unexpected decline. I don't mean the magnitude of the decline, but the fact that the price went down shouldn't have been unexpected because we're in a bear market. And this stock failed in its rally to the 200-day moving average. That's why it's very important to put moving averages on here. They don't predict anything, in my opinion, but they are very helpful in showing you where you are. Just like if you had a grid over the ocean and you're sailing, it gives you an idea where you are. And so that's what the moving averages do, at least the way I use them. So this stock gapped down tremendously today from about 367 to about 329 and put in new lows. So we're currently down around the 316 for a low, 316 plus change, and as we speak, the price is 323. It's about 10:30 on the 15th of September. So the net reality of this stock is it's a bear market stock. It failed to get over the 200-day moving average, and they took it out and shot it this morning. What do I think the prognosis of this stock is? I think that in the short term, you're going to see some probably make some new lows, probably down to the 300 level, right around in there. At which point, there's some support way back here at around 256. I don't know if it'll get there or not, but certainly the 300 level is a chip shot, and it's going to test that. Every time, anytime you get to a major level like 600, 500, 400, 300, you have an opportunity to get some support. This stock hasn't really followed that rule. If you look, we got some rallies here, and at the 400 level, we got some consolidation, but it's not great. So I suspect you'll get a little consolidation around the 300 level if it gets there. And then if it does not stop, we'll continue to go down and test this low back here in March 17th, which looks like, at best I can tell, looks like 278. So in general, I think that's probably what's going to happen. We'll test the 300 level and then maybe test the actually says 255, so we'll test the 300 level and then see what happens there. But your next support's 255. Again, bear market stock, you have to pay attention when you're in a bear market. If you spread this out in different ways, it changes the slope, obviously. But looking at this, we can see that the slope of the 200 is still pretty good. It failed, and we're just having a continuation of bear market on this stock. That's all that's going on. RBAM Research does not cover this stock for some reason. I don't know why. I will check and see if we can add it. But we do cover 190 stocks algorithmically as opposed to using technical analysis. We generate algorithmic entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. These are current for today, the 15th. They're for your entertainment purposes only. We have 1, 5, and 20-day buy columns here. If your own analysis says it's a good idea, the way it works is you can buy in the 1-day column, take your profit as soon as you get it, or close out at a loss at the end of the first trading day. So that would be buy today, close out the end of the trading day tomorrow afternoon, and the same thing for the 5 and the 20. If you did a 20-day buy roughly here, if your own analysis says it's a good idea, and then take a profit as soon as you get it, or close out worst case at the end of 20 trading days just before the market closes on the 20th day. That's the way these work. They come out Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. Zeros mean the algorithm doesn't think it's a good day to buy, and of course the prices themselves are for your entertainment purposes only. You always have to do your own analysis, your own research. But they're fun to tune in and watch, and they're out every morning before 7 a.m. Plenty of time to check them out before the markets open. Again, I will check and see what's going on with Adobe and whether we're going to cover it. But if you'd like to see the rest of the things we do cover, we have 190 stocks at arbonresearch.com. We have the major forex pairs, BTC for crypto, and we have the most liquid futures contracts, all free, absolutely no charge, no credit card required. There's a link to arbonresearch.com in the description below. Just click it, go there, and sign right up. You get everything for free every morning. Monday through Friday, they're all updated. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. We'd love to hear if you like technical analysis or not. If you think moving averages work or whether they don't, please leave us a comment in the comment section below, and we'll use them to improve these videos. Keep in mind, everything we've shown you and discussed is all for entertainment purposes only, including our commentary and the entry prices. You can't use anything for any reason other than entertainment. You have to do your own research, and you definitely trade at your own risk.